This time, I'm gonna choose Iron Man! Whoa! Ha ha! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Whoa! Look up there! I think we're gonna have to use our superpowers to fly up there and collect those crystals! I'm gonna need your help! Are you in? Yes! Let's go! Alright, looks like we have to collect 5 blue crystals! Watch out for the birds though! Let's go! Move right! Move left! Move right! Watch out for the bird! Move right! We did it! Yeah! I can't wait to tell Jinx about the crystals we collected! Let's go tell him! Yeah! Whoa! Jinx! You won't believe it! I was, and I was like, whoa!
Yeah. Sounds like you had a lot of fun.
How could you not have fun with superhero powers?
Well, what matters now is it's my turn. Ha! Ooh, I've always wanted to be Superman. Whoa! Let's go!
Bye, Jinx!
Oh no! I can't fly! I've lost my powers! Ooh, in order to get my powers back, I need to collect the super letters. Come and help me! Ooh, look, an S! Let's get it! Oh, you! Let's go! Whoopee! Uh-oh! That looks like kryptonite! Can you help me? We need to use our super strength to punch it 5 times! Here we go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Oh, yes! Oh, look, it's an E! Haha! An R! I guess we got our powers back. Let's give it a try. That was awesome. I want to go again.
You're gonna have to wait your turn, Jinx. What superhero do you want to see next? All right.
A few hours earlier.
Oh, hey, kids. Welcome to the magic shop. My name is Wizzy and I'm a...
magician!
Whoa, did you hear that? That must mean that this episode is about...
superheroes!
Ah, yeah. Superheroes are cool and all, but villains are cooler. They seem to have all the fun.
Looks like today might be about superheroes and villains.
You might be right.
Huh?
What are these?
Wow, a superhero toy box and a villain toy box.
I mean, oh, fun.
That can only mean one thing. Superheroes versus...
Super villains.
Yeah! Alright, this is how it'll work. I'll pull out a superhero toy from my toy box. And Jinx, you pull out a super villain toy from your toy box. And then we'll battle!
Less yapping, more battling.
Oh! Yes! No defeating Captain America! Ah!
I might have to disagree. 'cause I got a Venom web blaster. Ho, 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 ho. Captain America might be going down today.
Alright, let's start the first challenge. Alright, Jinx, the competition is target practice. You get 3 shots, and I get 3 shots, and whoever gets the most wins.
I'm ready.
Target acquired.
Jinx, no! Jinx!
Come on. That was way more fun than hitting that silly target. But I guess it's your turn, huh?
Well, 2 can play at that game.
Huh? You missed.
Oops.
1, 2, 3, 4. All ready.
All right. Time to have some superhero fun. Powering up. Did I get them all? It's hard to see in here.
You goof. That was only 3. Still no.
Whoops.
Huh?
Nice undies, Jinx.
Wizzy!
Wow, that was a blast.
Yeah. Got a little breezy at the end.
Who do you think won that round? Captain America or Venom? Yeah, me too. All right, Jinx, you're up.
Ooh. Huh. Looks like we have a green mask and some pumpkins? What could that be? Oh, it's probably the Green Goblin. Ooh.
Wolverine. Okay, the battle this time is to see who can use their toys to make the smoothie the quickest with this bowl of fruit. Huh, sorry, Jinx. This seems like it might be a little bit unfair because, you know, I have Wolverine claws and you have, like, pumpkins or something. Okay, don't blink, Jinx. Yum! Done! No way you beat my time with those little pumpkins! Ha 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 ha!
Cheers.
Cheers! I guess you won that one.
All right, let's see what this thing can do. How does it work? Do you just...
Be careful! Jinx.
Oops. Let me try that again. Go Spider! Ooh!
Jinx! You said spider, not Spider-Man!
Oh, psh. No, I totally meant to do that. I mean, look at him. Look how cute he is. Come here, boy. Oh, see? I know what I'm doing. Hey! Cute on the outside.
I can see how saying spider and Spider-Man could be confusing, but why don't we try a better one? Try saying yummy Webiosa.
If you're sure.
Trust me, I think you'll like this one, and I think you'll like this one.
Yummy Webiosa! Is this candy?
Okay, it's the final battle. And guess what? It's tied. So whoever wins the next challenge is the champion. Okay. Whoa! This doesn't look like any regular hammer. Whose hammer do you think this is? Yeah, Thor's hammer.
My turn. Oh, this looks powerful.
Okay, let's head outside and try these out. Time to see who's stronger, the hero or the villain.
Oh, I think we know who's stronger. Hit me with your best shot. Time to give you a taste of your own medicine.
Now, what was that about being stronger?
That was a nice try, Wizzy. But now, I'm going to use my glove to turn myself into the strongest, most intelligent, most handsome superhero of all time! Wait, I'm you? Huh.
Aw, Jinx, I didn't expect to see me. Do you really mean that?
It doesn't matter. Prepare for battle!
Okay, we're on our last superhero toy.
Superhero toy? This looks like a blankie, and I stopped using blankies months ago.
Jinx, this isn't a blanket. This is Superman's cape. Dun da da da! And we're gonna take it outside and see if we can make this baby fly. Okay, Jinx, I'm gonna take this for a spin and see if we can fly into the clouds.
Hey, that's not fair. I want to go first.
No, Jinx, you gotta wait your turn. Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Huh. That's so strange. I could have sworn the spell was Saurus Maximus! I'm flying! Let me see if I can see Jinx! Where is he? I don't see him down there. That's weird.
Wizzy!
What are you doing here?
I don't know. I thought it was fun. It was so fun, but now I'm regretting my decision. Let me down.
Hold on, Jinx. I'm losing control. We might crash.
I'm never traveling with you again.
It was kind of fun. What was that?
Ready or not, here I come.
Is that Darth Vader?
Quick, get all the superhero toys you can and gear up. I found this mask outside. Pretty cool, huh?
Stitch! I thought we were about to have to become real superheroes.
I think we're both better at being magicians.
Thanks for playing with us today. Until next time, up, and away!